The 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel is a tough and adventurous full-size pickup truck. The Rebel trim is built for off-road performance. Featuring aggressive styling, a lifted suspension, and advanced terrain features, the Rebel has an MSRP starting at $64,740 for 4x4. Bright white, billet silver, silver zenith, granite crystal, diamond black, molten red, Delmonico red, Canyon Lake, Serrano green, hydro blue, forge blue metallic. Black Rebel specific grille sport performance, hood black powder coated front and rear bumpers black headlamp and tail lamp bezels black, exterior badges unique black, wheel flares 18-inch mid-gloss black painted, aluminum wheels 18-inch OWO all-terrain tires dual black, exhaust tips lower two-tone, paint Mopar, exterior Rebel graphics. Unique black interior trim with red accents vinyl/cloth bucket seats with ombre mesh inserts 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, full-length reconfigurable center console vinyl/cloth 60/40 split folding rear bench seat 12-inch digital driver information display cluster 115 volt outlet with 400-watt inverter and USB ports 2 and D. Row and floor storage bins, leather wrap steering wheel Uconnect 5 and AV with 12-inch touchscreen display 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer dual zone automatic temperature, control heated front seats and steering wheel power sliding rear window active noise control off-road truck rubber floor mats. 3.0 Li6 Hurricane SO twin turbo engine with 420 horsepower and 469 torque, 5.7 L Hemi V8 with eTorque/8 speed automatic optional. Includes memory for driver's seat, mirrors, and radio, under-seat lighting, floor console with leather wrap shifter, leather trim front bucket seats, G/T decal, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, Mopar Bright pedal kit, performance exhaust system, Uconnect performance pages, and G/T interior theme. Only available with 3.0 L Hurricane i6 SO twin turbo engine. Rebel Level 1 Equipment Group, $4.95 Rebel Level 2 Equipment Group, $2 $7.95 Bed Utility Group, $5.45 Towing Technology Group, $1 $0.95 Advanced Safety Group 2, $3 $3.15 Trailer Tow Group, $1,695. Electronic Stability Control Sentry Key Theft Deterrent System Remote, keyless entry tire pressure monitoring system with display park view rear backup, camera electronic parking brake rear seat, reminder alert active lane management system adaptive cruise control with stop and go auto high beam headlamp control blind spot monitoring with rear cross path and trailer detection full speed forward collision warning, plus park sense front and rear park assist with stop pedestrian emergency braking.